I want to thank God for the month of January 2021. I also want to thank God for last year 2020, though it was not an easy year, but all thanks to God. I would like to share my ideas with friends, colleagues, those who have the opportunity of going to school, those who never had that same opportunity of going to school, that despite the fact that you didn't go to school, you can still use what you've learned. For examples, the skills like tailoring, hairdressing, decor to impact your community and your society at large. Looking at the world today, we can see that majority people that went to school, they are learning something like we call skills, or they are into business. So according to me, school is there to mold you up so that you can do something. But now, the greatest problem we are facing in the world today, majority people think immediately after graduation they will get a white collar job, which is not so. And so, most of our African parents also have the same mentality, which is wrong. So I would like to advise that during your last year in the university, be thinking of any business idea you can do rather than depending on the government alone. So if you are thinking this way, you hardly have a problem. Now when you talk about business, majority people always complain about capital, forgetting the fact that you can work for someone and get that money and start doing something. Remember, there is a saying which said, and I quote, never you minimize your little beginning. That is, to have a big supermarket, you first of all need to start with a shop. Even those selling banana at the roadside, they are into business as long as they are satisfying the need and they are earning something we call revenue. So what actually motivated me with this vision is that looking at the world, for example, Cameroon, due to the crisis, many children are learning a trade, which is good. Now immediately after their training, they need to open their own. Now the question is, how can they start it? How can they manage it? How can they expand it without being taught on how to do so? Those having petty stores, how can they draw traffic to these their businesses and increase their sales? With those that went to the university and studying medicine immediately after graduation, how can they start their own pharmacy? How can they run it? How can they expand it without being learned or taught on how to do so? Even those that went to school do not finish. How can and they are into business? How can they start it? How can they manage it? How can they expand it? How can they overcome their competitors? So follow me on Medican YouTube channel where I'll be talking on the topic how to start, manage and expand your small business. Remember, it's for all. Let's share our idea and improve our community rather than depending on the government alone. So on the second day, I'll be talking on the topic business. What is business? I know everyone out there has his or her own opinion what business is all about. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and comment.